Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Tuesday, March 24, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
Good morning, David. I am very well, thank you. And you?
I am very tired. I need a big cup of coffee right now.
Are you very busy today?
Yes, I have 4 meetings with new clients.
That is a lot of work. I only have 2 meetings today.
You are lucky. My meeting one is in 10 minutes.
Do you want some sugar in your coffee?
Yes, please. Put 2 sugars in my cup.
Here you go. The coffee machine is very slow today.
I know. It is always slow in the morning.
I think we need a new coffee machine in this office.
I agree. This machine is very old and noisy.
Did you sleep well last night?
No, I did not. I went to bed very late.
Why? Were you working late on your computer?
No, I was watching a long movie on television.
You need to rest more. Work is very demanding right now.
You're right. I will go to sleep early tonight.
How is the weather outside? I drove my car today.
It is very cold and raining.
I do not like the rain. It makes the traffic very bad.
Yes, the traffic was terrible. I took the train today.
Did you read the news on the train?
Yes, I read the New York Times on my phone.
What is the big news today?
The mayor wants a new 20% tax on empty office buildings.
Really? That is a very high tax for businesses?
Yes, it is. They want more people to work in the city.
I understand the idea. Many offices are completely empty now.
Exactly. My friend works in a big building and it is empty.
It is a complex economic problem. Companies save money at home.
But the city loses money. It is a big debate everywhere.
Do you think our boss wants us in the office more days?
I hope not. I like working from home sometimes.
Me too. I focus better on my projects at home.
But I miss the coffee breaks with you when I am home.
Thank you, David. I enjoy our morning talks too.
The train was very full today because of the news.
Yes. Maybe more people are coming back to the office?
I do not like full trains. I like my personal space.
The city is changing again. Economics is difficult to understand.
I only care about my sales numbers.
Speaking of numbers, what is your project one today?
I need to call 3 important clients from Europe.
Are they buying our new software product?
I hope so. I need to make a very good presentation.
You are a great sales representative. You can do it.
Thank you. What are you doing today?
I need to finish the new budget report for this month.
Is the report for the big boss?
Yes, he wants it on his desk at 12.
Good luck with that. He is very strict with money.
I know. I'm checking all the numbers 2 times.
Numbers are boring. I prefer talking to people.
Organization is key for my job as a project manager.
The printer is broken again, by the way.
Oh no. I need to print my long report.
You can use the printer on floor too.
Thank you for the information. I will go there later.
Did you see the news on USA Today yesterday?
No, I did not. What happened?
A big fitness watch company is sharing our sleep data.
Sharing data with who?
They share it with health insurance companies.
That is terrible. My sleep data is very private.
I agree. It is a big privacy problem for everyone.
Technology is going too far sometimes.
Yes. Now the insurance company knows I sleep 5 hours.
They can use that information against you in the future.
Exactly. Maybe they ask for more money for my insurance.
We need better laws for our personal data.
I am taking my watch off right now.
Good idea. I do not wear a smart watch.
You are very smart. A simple watch is much better.
Yes, it only tells the time. No internet connection.
I love my smart watch, but this news is very bad.
You can change the privacy settings on your phone.
I will do that after my meeting one.
Let me know if you need help with the settings.
Thank you, Alex. You are always very helpful with technology.
No problem. We have to protect our personal information.
Do you think our company checks our work computers?
I do not know. Maybe they check our work emails.
I only use my computer for work things.
That is the best policy. Keep work and personal life separate.
Are you going out for lunch today?
No. I have a simple sandwich in the fridge.
A sandwich again? You need real hot food.
I do not have time to go to a restaurant today.
I am going to the new pizza place at 1.
That sounds delicious. Have a big slice for me.
I will bring you 1 slice of hot cheese pizza.
You are the best, David. Thank you so much.
Oh, I read another crazy story in the Washington Post.
You read a lot of news in the morning.
I read while I travel on the train. It passes the time.
What is the story about?
A very famous pop star refuses to do live concerts.
Why does she not like her fans?
She only wants to perform in virtual reality.
That is very strange. Live music is a great human experience.
I know, but she says VR is the future of entertainment.
I do not agree. People want to see real artists on stage.
Fans are very angry about this new decision.
I understand the fans. VR is not the same as reality.
Tickets for the VR show cost $100.
That is too expensive for a computer video.
Exactly. I prefer to listen to music in my car.
Society is changing very fast with all this new technology.
Yes, everything is digital now, even music concerts.
I miss the old days. Simple concerts in a nice park.
Me too. We are getting old, Alex.
Speak for yourself, David. I am still young.
That is funny. We are both very young professionals.
Do you like virtual reality video games?
No, they make me feel sick and dizzy.
Me too. I prefer reading a good paper book.
Books are great, but I prefer watching sports on television.
Did your favorite team win yesterday?
Yes, they won 3-1. It was a great game.
I am happy for you. You really love your sports.
Yes, sports are real, not like virtual reality concerts.
True. I hope culture does not become completely digital.
People need real connection, like our morning coffee breaks.
I agree. Human connection is very important for society.
Well, my coffee is finished. I am ready to work.
My computer is starting. I need to go to my desk now.
Okay, my client is waiting for my phone call.
Have a good day, David. Good luck with your sales.
Thank you, Alex. Good luck with your budget report.
See you later. Do not forget my pizza.
I will not forget. 1 slice of cheese pizza coming up.
Bye, David. Have a great morning.
Bye, Alex. See you at lunchtime.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.